Well, welcome back to my channel. Ashton Drake Love. Yes, baby Cassie. What? What? I'm sure you guys miss this little cutie. Ah, what? Are you telling them what? She's telling you she's gonna get her first bath. Keep exciting. Yeah. She's gonna get her first bath. I know I put bibs on them when I feed them, but that spit up smell that it's kind of sticks with them basically. So she smells bad, like spit up. So this is her first bath. So she's gonna get her first bath. This is what I got for her, right over here. Come along, right over here, and I'll show you what I have for her. Right there, I have, of course, we have the towel. You have to have the towel. And I got diapers and wipes and clean socks, undershirt. And you know how my mom was nice and got baby Cliff and an extra, two extra sleepers? Well, she's gonna. It's fair because we noticed she's in her pajamas. We kept it a relaxing day because if you notice by the weather, you know, it's cold, looks rainy, but she needs a bath. So, and the heater is going, so. And got, you know, the body wash. I always forget the body wash and the washcloth needs to go where I'm gonna be bathing. But no, that's what I come over here so you can see. That's what I got for her. But no, that's the, I already got the chair in, and we're gonna give this little girl a bath. Yeah, we just kept it a relaxing day. Evening, yeah, so before she goes down, give this little girl, you know, a bath because she just ate, so she's good. But she does, I don't know how that smell, it does help the clothes, the bib, it does help the clothes, yeah, when they spit up, but that smell, the sticks with the babies. Let me know if that happens to you. Seriously, it sticks. So she smells like spit up bad. So let's get her ready for a bath and get her first bath. Okay, well, it's been about 15 minutes later or so. I already started. I took off her, you know, winter jammies. Like I said, we just kept it a relaxing day. It was, you know, cozy kind of day. And I had to go get a thing for her privates. I totally forgot about that. So let's continue to get her ready for her first bath. Who's excited? Yeah, she never had her first bath, but again, she smells bad. Bad, like spit up smell bad. Bad. Huh. Huh, Cassie? Oh, I know. There you go. You love to talk. I know, baby Cassie. She just wants to talk. She's in a talkative mood. Are you saying hi? You saying hi? She's saying hi. Okay, let mommy finish undressing you. Okay. I'm gonna put on her private piece, and you have to see her back when she's in the bathtub. Okay, here goes nothing because I never did it again. This is her first bath. I don't know if she's gonna cry or be good. There she is. Yes, again, she smells awfully. And I got, again, the Johnson shampoo and body wash. And we have to have a washcloth. Let's get some more water in here. Yeah. With no cries, so does that tell me Cassie likes it? Huh, baby Cassie? Yeah, this is a wash, rinse, and get out thingy. Nothing bad, because she needed a bath really bad. Huh, little girls. Get your hair. Yes. Get your back. Oh, but there you go talking. Yeah. Oh, I know. You wanna wash this for me? Look, you're gonna wash. Can you wash your face? You silly little girl. No, she don't mind bath. You could tell. Move so you can see it. No, you could definitely tell she doesn't mind bath at all. Huh. Okay. Well, let's get her towel all fixed and let's get her out of here. Yeah, this is how I kind of do things, like when it's cold out and they need a bath really bad. Don't want to get them sick. Come on. Now let's get her nice, dried off. Yeah, she smells so good. Spit up free smell. But let's lay her down and get her all nice and warm and put a diaper. I shouldn't have a diaper on yet. Let's put a diaper on. So move, put her diaper on. Yeah, here's the wet. It's wet. Yeah, she's all nice and good. Now, I got the size 1. She's one of them that fits better in ones than newborn. Hi, baby Cassie. Okay. Yeah, she fits better in ones. There she is. That way her onesie don't get wet from the towel. I think I'm going to rock in the rocking chair because I know bath relax babies. So how'd she do though, you guys? Let me know. Did she do wonderful for her first bath? Yeah, I know we kept it a relaxing day in her jammies, but I was like, those spears that Grandmama got, she could wear those. Grandmama always knows to get some, huh? But I always try to offer to pay. Huh? Mama always says, here, Grandmama, here's some money. But no, she surprised me with these. Sleep and play. Perfect. So that's garbage. Okay. Put your arm in. And these have where you can fold the let's say the hands as well. But I think at least I'll let hands be free. Now if I start seeing scratches on the face, guess what, Cassie? She even looks, not just the smell, but looks better. Yeah, those jellies need to go in the hamper. And everything, huh? Get back wasp for baby Cassie. Cause that smells like spit up. Baby Cassie. I know. Mommy's almost done. There's a rock in the rocking chair. Yeah. Okay, well, she's all done. Okay, come here, baby Cassie. Okay, well, baby Cassie's all clean. Again, how does she do? Let me know. How does she do? I think she did wonderful. No cries. When it's her first, you never know, seriously, if they're going to be a bath baby or not. That goes for any baby. Here's your blankie, though. You want Mommy to rock you in the rocking chair? Huh? Yeah? Too cute, huh? Yeah. Well, again, I have a big mess clip. This happens every time there's a bath. But I'm thinking I'm going to take her and check. I know baths relax with babies. So that's the plan next. So let's go to the rocking chair. Mommy rocks you, huh? Yes. Yeah. And these jammies that my mom got fit her just right. Huh. Too cute. Okay. Well, I did turn on some lights. Kind of dim, you know. I noticed she even stopped talking to you guys. Have you noticed that? So it's kind of warm her, you know, cover her up. Because we did have, you know, rain and it was cold outside. But she smells so much better. I wish you guys could smell her. You want to smell her really quick? Her hair, her body, she just stunk really bad. I hope you guys do enjoyed her first bath. Yeah, that was baby Cassie's first bath. So I hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm just gonna sit here and try to get her to sleep. I hope you guys all, had a wonderful, Monday. Yes, I figured, yeah, before it got to, give her back. Yeah, that's why I was sort of watching to get out kind of thing. Usually I fill it up, and yeah, like I said, they still get clean when it's cold outside. They do. They definitely still get clean. Oh, baby Cassie. I wish you could smell them before as well to smell the difference. Again, I don't know how that smell sticks because I put the bibs on to protect, the clothes, our pajamas, whatever they have on. But that smell just sticks with them. You know what I'm talking about? Seriously, you know what I mean? That smell that stays with them. But mommy's just rocky now. I have a huge mess to clean up. That's the only thing I don't care for about past, but I know they need it, is the mess afterwards. But it is worth it to have to clean the mess. But no, I hope you guys enjoyed her first bath. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Yeah, now I'm just rocking her now. She's gonna go to sleep. Oh, baby Cassie. Yeah, like I said, she can stop, talking away and cooing, talking to you guys. She loves to interrupt mommy. All the babies do. She does, Kevin and Cassandra. They all love to interrupt mommy. Yes. Is that your cousin Trevor? Huh? Yeah, my nephew Trevor's still here. Well, I can't say still here because he lives here. But no, he's here. He's awake. He's in my mom's sewing room. Yeah, that's where he sleeps. Huh. He sleeps in my sewing room? Yeah. You're a good girl. Well, I'm just gonna be sitting here and rocking and getting her to go to sleep. I know she eventually will. I know baths relax with babies. But I guess I'll let you guys go from here though. Hope you guys enjoyed her first bath. But no, like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video when it gets uploaded. If you want, you can share any of the videos. I don't mind. But yeah, I guess I'll go from here. Give the video a thumbs up. Hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, one more minute before I go bye-bye. Again, like this video and comment, because I do put not just this on YouTube, I also put it on Facebook as well, and I like to see who exactly is following me on the page on Facebook. So no, comment and like the video. Yeah, I like to see who exactly is following on that page. But no, I guess I'll let us go from here. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Can you say bye for you go night-night? Can you say bye, Cassie? Yeah, I'm just rocking her and hopefully she goes to sleep. Say bye, Cassie. Say bye-bye. Anyway, bye, guys.